This is a great facial box that includes products specific for a gentleman's facial. So we're starting this treatment out with the Gentleman's Foaming Wash. It has lemon peel, lactobacillus, chamomile, and aloe. This cleanser was really nice. It did not get stuck in the beard like the way other cleansers would typically do. Next we have the Purifying Polish that also contains green tea, chamomile, ginseng, and horse chestnut, and walnut shells.
Smells good.
When we're working with a traditional scrub, it's very difficult to get those particles out of the beard. This one has a nice melt similar to the cleanser, so we're able to exfoliate that area. Next, I'm going to go in with the Man Up Peel. This is a lovely add-on peel. Salicylic and mandelic acids. It has a pH of 2.0. It's self-neutralizing and it penetrates into the beard. AHA BHA Refining Mask. Now I'm going to perform a lovely massage using this beard oil. Energizing Treatment Foam. This lovely product wakes up the skin after the beautiful massage. Ending with a Purifying Day Lotion. Ending this treatment, the skin is visibly softer, hydrated, and the beard is very conditioned.